Where America Goes for Funding. Give us a call, text our office if we can help you. 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about our DSCR line of credit program that we rolled out for real estate investors. So it's actually a line of credit. It's a second lien HELOC that you can get either in first position, a first mortgage line of credit, or a second lien line of credit. So that's what we're going to be discussing today. Because right now in 2026, we think it's going to be a super hot year for real estate. And you want to get in front of that, and you want to have access to a line of credit to be able to tap into that money, right? That's going to be a huge thing this year that we're all focusing on, is how do you get available equity in quickly? And a credit line will allow you to do that, so that way you can actually tap into the money and quickly close on a deal. So for example, let's say that you have a rental property that's worth $1 million and you owe $300,000 on it. Okay, so you can tap in up to 75% of the value. You could do a second lien HELOC, a line of credit, behind your first mortgage. So if you have a low rate on your first mortgage, you don't have to touch that loan. You can do a second loan behind the first one. In this example, up to $750,000. So you could do a $450,000 credit line, second lien, and you can have a draw period anywhere from 3 to 10 years, and a 30-year fully amortized payment. And it's interest only, and you can pull from it whenever you want, just like the credit card, ACH, and pay it off whenever you want. So it's an awesome thing because if you need money right away, you want to buy a property at the auction, you want to buy investment in stocks, bonds, commodities, you want to invest in other real estate asset classes, and you need cash, you can do this quickly. You don't have to wait. Okay, you don't have to go through a refinance. That's the beauty of a line of credit. And you can do it as a DSCR. That means if you have rental income that's coming in, you can use that rental income to qualify for the loan. You don't have to use your tax returns. You don't need W-2s. You don't even need to be employed or you have a job. You can just use the rental income to qualify. So if you're leasing the property out for $3,000 a month or $5,000 a month, that's what's going to be used to qualify for the loan. So it's a really, really cool product. It's available nationwide for rental properties and commercial properties, and anywhere in the country. It doesn't matter what state, even New York or whatever. So you just have to. There are some requirements for it. The house it doesn't have to be leased out. It can be vacant, but it has to be habitable. It cannot be a fixer-upper. It has to be livable, and it has to be single family or multifamily. The minimum loan is $100,000. There is no maximum loan amount. So that's a cool thing. They like to see that you have at least a 700 or higher credit score. You got to have good credit for this. If you don't have reserves or money in the bank, that's okay. If you're taking cash out, the cash out that you're taking out can be used for the reserve. So that's a really powerful thing. And then you can close in your LLC. You do not have to close in your personal name. It doesn't report to your personal credit. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks to close this. We have some programs that will do a desktop appraisal. Some of them will require a full appraisal, just depending on the program that we're doing. Like if you do below 250,000, a quick HELOC, you may not need an appraisal. But if you go over 250, most likely you're going to need an appraisal. All right. So it's an awesome product. And like I said, you can get pre-approved usually within a couple of days and then close within, it depends on the program. But we have tons of different HELOCs. But the beauty of it is you can have that funds available on demand when you need them. So, and you can do it on a second home. You can do it on your primary residence if you want to, an investment property. So it's very attractive. Those are the main requirements of how it works. And so if you're interested to get more information about our line of credit, we also have the HELOC, which is a lump sum cash out distribution that you can do in addition to a line of credit. So a lot of different options here on how we can help you. Like I said, you can close in your LLC if you want to, or you can close in your personal name too. It's up to you, whatever your preference is. So please, if you want more information about this program or anything, please give us a call. You can text our office, 832-431-6331. It's Where America Goes for Funding, guys. You can also click on the links down below to subscribe, enable notifications. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. like that bell. Please share this with anyone that you know to get value from the channel. We work incredibly hard to get you the information, the knowledge, what we can, the products that we offer. The biggest thing that we specialize in is offering the programs to be able to help you, right? So we want to come out and have great products, something that is different than the market has, so that way we can solve the problem to get you the funding. Obviously, we can't help everybody that reaches out, but we got a lot of cool products that we have that can help you. So I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, enable notifications. Don't forget about our real estate university. If you want more information about that, to join our top producers program, the links are down below for real estate university. If you want to join our loan partnership and get paid for your referrals, we also have our loan partnership program too. So check that out. All the links are down below for that. And then also our Amazon rewards program. If you want to become an Amazon member with us, you're a vendor, a partner, leave us a 5-star review on Angelo Christian Mortgage. We'll hook you up with that Amazon gift card, become Amazon members with us. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching the channel. We'll be back again next week as we get ready for Super Bowl Sunday. Take care. Peace out. Thank you so much.